Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find your serial number of Nintendo Switch 2. And you can either do it by looking at the back of your device, flipping the stand, and you'll see the serial number right here. But you can also do it in the settings if you want. Go to the settings, then go to System, serial information, and you'll see the system information as well as the serial number for the Joy-Cons, and it's actually also printed on the Joy-Cons right here. So this is like different numbers for both of these. Yeah, but I don't have that. Yeah. Now once I have that one turned on also, then I can see both serial numbers, and you can also see the LOT number for the built-in system battery. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.